All right, what's going on, everybody? I'm back with another one. We're going to be going to New York, going to Full Throttle. We're going to Tristate Motorsports. Haven't washed the car in like almost 2 months, and it needed a wash bad. But look at that shine. Look at that shine. But let's get into it. 3, 2, 1. Where'd my mask go? Oh, got it. I got it. Man, they really have everything.
In here to make a good big purchase.
You got any conversion harness and stuff?
Which one you want?
Integra.
For an Integra, other
Hybrid or K-Tone?
hybrid?
If you got everything for a 24 oil pump, tension, the whole, no?
Oil pump we don't have. We have everything besides the oil pump, the baffle? Yeah, we don't have the baffle. The baffle would be here.
April S300s, everything. Fuel cell. Packages. I like this shifter. Fiber canards.
Alright, so you're talking about 240 for this, and you're talking about 150 for that whole kit. It's literally the baffle plate, the screws, the whole nine.
Literally everything.
It's literally everything you need and all that stuff. Bolts, like all OEM Honda bolts.
And how much is for everything?
Oh, I can do the math for you. It's not a biggie.
That is
Like with the glitter and all. And the cool thing is that with the sun, it actually changes color.
Yeah, no, you could see,
see
you
it.
can see it.
See
It
how
has
it's
that
like
purple.
blue, purplish, and all that stuff,
Yeah.
and moving around.
yeah.
See a
And we
little
got the
bit of green
finish
in it,
welded
too.
onto it as well. So that's my core.
Fire, bro.
What's his Instagram?
His IG is Everythingcoated.
Everything coated. All right.
Yeah, he's a local kid, and the good thing is the turnaround time with him is like 2 days.
That's not
Wow.
bad.
Yeah.
That's not bad.
That's you?
Brand new.
Brand new. Oh, this guy didn't even pay. I was gonna ask you.
If anything, I would tell you also, if you're trying to keep it more budget friendly,
Yeah.
there's a set of Federal tires that came out that are really good. They have the Federal 595 double R's,
Yeah.
which are a really good compound, and they're actually affordable as well.
Look at that.
This will actually perform just as much as the Toyotas.
Well, I'm more of a daily driver too, so those would be more economical for me. Yeah, right?
Definitely more economic. Definitely a lot more.
Yeah.
Because the Toyotas, they are good tires, but
They run out.
they're gonna run out, and weather conditions like cold or
Yes.
rain.
You remember that?
You
Man?
have
Yeah.
to drive.
I can order anything here, right?
Yeah, basically, yeah.
I just come here.
Just
after.
come here in person. It's just much easier like that, so I can socialize with the customers, see what they want exactly, and make sure we're getting exactly what they want.
Nice. Yeah, I'm doing a 24 build, so.
Okay, well, shoot, that should
Bone
be
stock though.
nice. That's gonna move pretty nice on the streets.
Extra beats.
Shout outs to Aki.
Definitely. Keep going.
Mine's up here with that mark. Make sure this mark is lining up with that mark. These two marks are lined up. Lined up with the gold link and lined up with this gold link. Okay.
Hold on, I'm gonna need a minute. Just thinking about it's fucking heavy. Alright, let me just. Oops, I might fart. Okay. Okay. Okay.
It's the nice guy.
I don't pick those fucking things up.
I respect it. This shit heavy as hell.
Man, my boy about to have LSD. My second gear is like getting bad.
No, your second gear.
Yeah. Last year
That doesn't happen.
it got to the point where I couldn't get in second gear anymore, even just regular driving. But then it came back to life.
Synchrotek came out with a good one now. It's $195. Other than buying PVG shirt, it's like $550.
Oh, yeah, no, I seen all that. What the fuck? Like almost $3,000 to do a whole bill. No, I'm good.
Dude, 3.
Or more, right? Something like that? That's like a regular street bill.
If you buy like cases and full PVG and forks and stuff, it's almost like 10 grand.
Ooh.
I'm good.
Yeah.
Just first and second PVG is $25.50.
How is that much?
Come on,
What's that?
wow.
Keep it moving. Get a 4-piston head?
I already got a 20 head, but that would be nice. Really nice to have. That's for you. Come on.
What, for a prison head? I ain't got the money for that.
Selling one off the Cirex.
How much?
It's bare though. Like bare, no valve, nothing. 1,500.
Bro, that's a steal.
Yeah, the beer for 4-piston head.
That's a steal.
Oh yeah.
Well, you heard it from him.
And I gotta find someone to buy my big boy cans too. You guys can't use those then.
Nah.
You're done.
Doing different setup. You seen that smile?
No, let's just say now you're done.
It's like Jamie saying. That's like Jamie saying he's done. I'm not gonna lie, that's fucking super rare when they come in mid.
Right?
Yeah?
I believe it. It's either second or third gear
So
on
he
these.
gave us the word, bro.
Well, just like he said with his, it's usually all second gears.
Yep.
Which one is second, if you don't mind asking? Exactly. This one.
Yeah, so you have to, like, the teeth where it engages on the slider, that's what you have to look at. And
Oh.
they literally look brand new.
Wow. Got a mint transmission.
Yep. For
Price I paid
800.
for it? Yep.
800.
You shout out to the guy whoever sold it to me.
That's a good deal.
Very.
Yep.
And the other guy wanted to get like 1,300. That's in Rhode Island.
Oh, yeah.
What, did I have an LSD too or no?
Nope.
What?
No LSD, but supposedly had OBX first and second, some shit like that he was saying.
Do
but
not
now
buy
it's-
that.
Mm-mm.
Dude, OBX is trash.
Oh. Thank God I didn't buy it.
Right?
Those are not good products.
Like I said, no
Well, yeah, I
way.
don't have to order anything, which is fucking great.
Exactly.
Two
All
thumbs
you gotta
up for
do is
that
just
one.
put the
Yes.
diff in. That's
I
it.
literally, I took it apart, inspected it, everything. So.
Definitely. Cool. Appreciate it. Good to go. All right,
Yeah.
we all set. You want to drive? Because I don't feel like driving.
I'm hungry.
I'm not, but. I don't feel.
Feed me, I'm hungry.
Yeah, feed me, then I'll drive.
Shit. Fine. I'll take it.
How long you guys have to drive?
Like
back to
40 minutes.
I gotta drive about 0.4 miles.
No, lucky. Hey.
I mean, I'll drive, but I'll still get you food if you want. Wait, where are we gonna go?
What, to take a shit?
Nah, well, no, I can wait till I get home for that, but.
Oh, I don't know.
No, fuck that. You driving.
What's that?
What? What's it? Is there something there? What's there?
What is that?
What is what, nigga? I can't see. I can't even see it. What?
What is that, bro?
What is what? Nigga, like.
What is that?
What the fuck? Was it?
Oh, you a fast guy.
What are you talking about?
You a fast guy.
What's there?
I don't know. The Jack Cartel.
Oh, no, they ain't Jack Cartel. I wish.
That shit is nice. Alright, so as you guys can see, right now, it's been like 2 months since I touched the car. I'm doing the fuel system setup. I got the fuel rail on, injectors on, connectors plugged in. I gotta get the pipe cutter so I can cut the feed. And this pretty much is like a perfect length. So it's gonna go right straight to the return, which is the smaller fuel line. The return, which is gonna come off the 180. Obviously this line is way too long. That came with the kit, as you can see. Too long. What I did, like Aki and Trappy Bucket's done, they tape where you want to cut at, or where you get your measurement. You see where you want it to end at, and then just keep your finger on it, electrical tape around it. Get a cutter, and then just cut right along the line, and then it'll be a perfect fit. All right, so I'm at AutoZone now. I'm trying to find a pipe cutter, mini tubing cutter. Found it. Oh, found it. We got 2 left. $10.99. Is there anything else I might need? Yeah, I should be all set. Should be all set. Alright, so just tighten and turn. That's it. Just tighten and turn. Okay, come on. Almost there. There we go, that's the feed. And then let's see. There you go. That's the feed right there. All set. And this is the return. Got the line going to the return. As you can see, I got this marked right here with electrical tape, cut down with the wheel cutter. And as you see, I'm gonna tape it off like right, at least like right here. Look at all this line I got. All this line I got offline for $28. The performance place out here, 6 feet, just for 6 feet. They want $60. Fuck out of here. I don't know if you guys can remember, this headlight was filthy. It was very, very, very bad. The signal light lens was broken off. It was sliding around all in here. So took the headlight completely apart with my heat gun, resealed it, cleaned the inside. I Gorilla glued this signal light lens back to the housing, completely cleaned up the inside, and this headlight is mint now. All right, so the conversion harness is pretty simple. I already watched a few videos on it. Everything is marked. This is the hybrid racing conversion harness. So I gotta take off that panel over there and then just match the wires up. That's why I like hybrid. That's why I like hybrid. Everything is color matched to OEM. And that's why I love hybrid. This whole car is gonna have hybrid. Nothing but hybrid. How many times I said hybrid?
I got you, you got me. We are too lucky. I got you, you got me. We are too lucky.
it up and then fix it. Go ahead. Go, Mark.
So,
How you doing?
to
That's my boy Takeo, yeah. That's David. The GOAT with the conversions.
Big black bumper, big spoiler, big gold quarters.
Yeah.
Everything that's today.
Perfect.
not bad at all.
What you were thinking of?
Yeah, give or take, yeah.
Oh, so
You was there.
You was thinking that.
We could get.
Yeah.
Chill. Because I know you're looking out for me, so I'm like, yeah, about that price. We can stop at the bank and do it on the way. Told you it was gonna be around that price.
Yeah. You was right on the nail, pretty
Yeah.
much.
I got exactly that, bro.
Yeah.
I'm broke already.
Right on the nail.
Yeah? Word. Oh, shit.
Oh, they can inject this shit too?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, shit.
We cap them too. Yeah,
Yeah,
so
I
you
gotta
really
get-
just started all this shit. I only got one key, bro. If something happens, I'm gonna have to call him because he got the spare. Out of his own car.
Well, my car can unlock his car.
Yeah. So he can steal my car if he wanted to. That's some shit. Oh shit!
My first time being in a Mini Cooper. Oh my god.
Yo! We in a car. We in the clown car. Now we're good.
Be good though.
Drive?
Alright, so we'll go with him. We'll ride with him.
Oh,
He
okay.
got a fucking bigger car.
Right in the Benz.
No, that's a Honda.
Oh. Most car you catch me is in the Integra. Imagine this shit just like snap and we just fall through. So I'm gonna close the video out here. Hope y'all liked it. Make sure you guys like it. Huh?
Okay, here, fuck it.
Well, anything you wanna say?
I gotta catch my breath. That's what I'm gonna say. What do you want me to say?
Anything you wanna say? I'm closing the video out. Damn, this mask is all fucked up. God.
Huge shout out to David. Fucking GOAT when it comes to conversions. Huge shout out to my man Takeo. Fills in for him. And fuck everybody else, bro. Oh, keep gunning, for sure. 100%.